Loading programs onto your TI graphing calculator and got TIC files. These are calculator applications ready for TI Connect CE software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install these TI Connect CE application files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the TIC format fails. More on this later. A user with a TIC file is typically a student or educator trying to install an application onto a Texas Instruments graphing calculator, such as the TI-84 Plus CE. These files are compiled programs or games that extend the calculator's functionality, managed via the official TI Connect CE software. The TIC format is a compiled binary package specifically structured for the Zilog Z80 or ARM architecture of TI calculators. It contains executable code and resources, wrapped with a header that includes metadata like the application name and icon, allowing the calculator's OS to identify and run it. Typically, TIC files can be opened with TI Connect CE created by Texas Instruments. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows presents only a partial view, so accessing real content requires mobile-aware software. Open the menu by right-clicking your TIC file and choosing Open With. Test TI Connect CE if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the TIC file differently. If you still can't open the TIC file, it's okay. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, using TI Connect CE. Download and install TI Connect CE software from education.ti.com on your computer. Connect your TI calculator via USB cable. Open TI Connect CE, drag the TIC file to the calculator section, and the application transfers automatically. Run the application from the calculator's Apps menu after successful transfer. Next, TI-SmartView Emulator. Test TIC applications on PC using TI-SmartView CE Emulator before transferring to physical calculators. The emulator simulates the TI-84 Plus CE environment. Loading TIC files for execution. This is useful for educators previewing applications or developers testing programs without repeated calculator transfers. Finally, manual calculator transfer. Use TI Connect CE alternatives like TILP or TILP2 for advanced users wanting more control over file transfers. These tools support various TI calculator models and file types, enabling transfer of TIC files alongside other calculator content like programs, lists, matrices, and pictures from a single interface. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.